Create an irresistible offer in the next few minutes in this step-by-step process I have shared in this video. This video is a snippet from my workshop where I help a coach to create a premium value offer with the same framework that I have shared here. So don't miss out and be ready to make your first or next high ticket offer in the next few minutes. Hey, this is Chiranjeevi Rathore and I help coaches and consultants to get clients using high converting content strategy. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. By the end of this video, I will tell you where you can find leads to sell that offer to. So watch it without skipping this video. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back to this workshop. So in this workshop, I will tell you what is an offer, why you should charge more, and why to transition from low ticket to high ticket, how to build a higher value offer, and what are the offer creation steps involved. So in this particular video, you will be ready with your offer by the end of this video. So before that, let me tell you what are the concept of an offer and why you should charge more. So concept. Offer is simply the solution to their problems. Offer is simply the solution to your prospects' problems. Some are selling at low ticket, some sell at high ticket. Difference lies in offers. So if they are selling at low ticket or high ticket, the whole difference lies in the offers. How your offer looks like. What to add in an offer to make it irresistible. I will tell you how you can make offer irresistible by adding right things in your offer. Now, why you should charge more? Before coming to the offer, let's discuss why you should charge more. When you charge higher, you can serve lesser clients with more commitment and hit your revenue goals as well. See, you are in a business of making transformation in people's life. And if you really want to survive in this business, you need to charge more so that you can deliver results along with generating revenue that makes you keep going in this business. So if you work with lesser number of clients, it's easy for you to deliver results to them and generate revenue as well. So if you really want to deliver results, so you need to charge more from the people, because it's not like you are charging just because you want more money. It's like you are also bringing that level of transformation in somebody's life. That's why you are charging more. So it is a win-win situation for both of the sides, like your prospect sides as well as for yourself, because you are charging more to keep your business going, and you are charging more from them so that their commitment is also high when they are working with you. And if people come with higher commitment, then it's easy for you to get results for your prospects or for your clients. Next, low ticket to high ticket transition, and how you can increase your price from low ticket to high ticket. First of all, niching down. Niching down is like if you're selling a time management course, you can sell it in $19. If you're selling it to students, then those people are having the capacity of like paying just $19. So you can create a time management course for students and sell it for $19. But if you are creating that same course for sales professionals, you can sell it for $99 as well. And for the same course, if you're creating that course for B2B sales representatives or professionals, you can charge $499 from them. If you are serving power gardening sales representative, then you can charge $997 or $2,997 as well for the same course. This concept I am sharing from the book Alex Hormozi's Offer Creation. So, hope you get the idea why niching down is really important. Why you should niche down your audience so that you can charge more for the same services. Next is ideal clients paying capacity. Audience you are charging should have capacity to pay higher ticket. See, there are many people, like if you're a career coach and if you are having a program which help people to get jobs, and if you are selling that kind of program, those people are already not having the jobs. So how they are able to pay you that kind of money? So you should decide your audience wisely. They should be having the paying capacity. What you are charging, they should be easily, like they can easily arrange that kind of money to pay you. So choosing the right audience is also important. Bigger the problem, more the dollars. Like person A, if there is a person A and he's having a problem, like he's selling his offer like I help people with self doubt issues. Okay, that's fine. So this person is actually helping people with self doubt issues. Same, another person, he's helping like I help single moms with suicidal thoughts to come out of self doubts and lead a fulfilling life. So when you read these two statements, it is much likely like you will fall for this person B, because he's helping single moms, he's calling single moms first of all. And what kind of single moms? The single moms who are suffering from that suicidal thoughts. So these moms are really want to come out of these suicidal thoughts and self doubt, and they really want to lead a fulfilling life. So there is a payoff in this statement also. There is a target audience that like whom this person is helping. And these what type of problems they are suffering with? They are suffering with suicidal thoughts. When you see the person A's statement, I help people with self doubt issues, he's not very much clear that what type of self doubt issues he's actually solving. Some people are not some people cannot relate with this statement because some people will not feel like that they are having the self doubt issues. But if this much of clarity is there in your statement, and then people will pay you higher amount because you are giving them the right payoff, and your targeting is too specific, and you are targeting the people with specific kind of pain, and you are just uh, focusing on that particular pain. So these people genuinely, like these single moms genuinely want to come out of that suicidal thoughts, and want to lead a fulfilling life. So bigger the problem, more the dollars. Clear transformation or end result. Give clear end transformation which help people to understand the value of your offer. So you should not be vague in your offering, like what is the end result they are going to get after working with you. They should be confident enough, and they should be like you should be giving that particular end result with your statement, like some kind of specific end result, like they will get $1,000 in next 90 days, they will lose 50 kgs in next 6 months. So that kind of a specific outcome should be there. The more specific outcome will be there, then they will be likely to pay more, because they are more specific that with this person I'm going to achieve this particular thing. So a clear transformation or end result must be there. Next is art of selling. You can sell a good offer only if you present it correctly, by unboxing the benefits properly. Most of the people are having the good offer, and they can actually serve people in a better way, but they don't have that art of selling. They can't sell themselves because they are not unboxing the benefits, all the benefits they need to unbox while presenting that offer. Because when people see the benefit of going with you, then they will definitely enroll in your programs or courses or whatever you are promoting. So art of selling must be there, like you have to sell your offer by unboxing it properly, like you have to tell all the benefits to your customer. So next is how to build a higher value offer. Till now we have discussed the concept, we have discussed why to charge more, we have discussed how you can transition from the low ticket market to high ticket market. And now I am going to tell you how to build a higher value offer. If you're liking this video, please like this video and comment your takeaway till now. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe the channel, so that when I upload such videos in the future as well, you will be getting lot of value on my YouTube channel. So now, how to build a higher value offer. Like this concept I am sharing from like Alex Hermozi's book, $100 million offers. So this is a offer equation which Alex has shared in his particular book. It is dream outcome into perceived likelihood of achievement. In denominator there is time delay, and there is efforts and sacrifices that defines your value. Now if you are a mathematics student, then it is like you can understand it very well. Like if you want to increase the value, you have to increase the numerator. If you have to decrease the value, you have to decrease the denominator, but you don't want to decrease the value. So if you want to increase the value, you have to increase the numerator and decrease the denominator. So if you focus on increasing the numerator and decreasing the denominator, then you can create a high value offer definitely. How you can do that? Number one, dream outcome. Define the ideal client's dream outcome. It should be big enough. Like what they want to achieve, you should be conveying that in a specific manner. Like, yes, you will get this particular thing when you work with me. So this offer has designed in such a way that you will achieve this thing. And if they resonate with the outcome that you are delivering, then they will definitely pay you whatever you are asking for. Next is time delay. Lesser the time to achieve dream outcome, better the offer. Suppose if you are helping somebody to lose weight in 6 months, like you are helping them to lose 10 kgs of weight in 6 months, and somebody else is helping them to lose weight in 1 month, then they are going to pay more for the person if they are able to lose their weight in 1 month. So you have to make your offer in such a way that you are helping them to get that outcome in a lesser number in lesser time. So lesser the time, you can increase the value definitely. Next is efforts and sacrifices. So lesser efforts and sacrifice, like done for you systems and done with you systems. Like if you are giving them done for you services or done with you services, then you can charge more. In spite of if they have to do it themselves, like it is a do it yourself service, you cannot charge more for do it yourself, because the level of efforts and sacrifices, they have to put more efforts in achieving the results if it is a do it yourself. So if you are giving them some cheat sheets, or if you are helping them to do it something, then the likelihood of getting that result is more, and their efforts and sacrifices is less. And if their effort and sacrifice is less, then they will be able to enroll in your program for premium tickets as well. Next is perceived likelihood of achievement. What's that? So make them believe that likelihood of them to achieve the desired dream outcome is high if they work with you. So if you can make them believe that whatever results you are promising, they can achieve those results definitely while working with you, then you can definitely charge premium for your services. For that, what you have to do, how to increase this? Social proofs or case studies. The more social proofs you are having, if you are just starting out, then you can build some case studies before jumping into the high ticket market. So if you are having social proofs, if you have done it before, if you have done it for yourself, suppose you are into a weight loss industry, if you have done it for yourself, like if you have lost 10 kgs in 1 month or 2 months, then you can charge them that price because you have already done it for yourself, and you know the strategies, you know the planning, you know the things how you can do it for others too. So those kind of social proofs or case studies should be there, so that they can believe that whatever you are promising, you can definitely give them. Guarantees. What kind of guarantees you can give? Like money back guarantee you can give, time guarantee you can give, accountability guarantee you can give, results guarantee you can give. Either work for them or work closely with them. These kind of guarantees you can give. Like if you didn't get the results, I will craft a whole complete plan for you again, and I will work with you till you 2x your investment or 3x your investment. So these kind of guarantees can increase your offer. If you can include these type of guarantees, then you can definitely charge premium. Now the next most important part is how to create those offer, how to create this kind of offer. This is really wonderful. If you're liking this video till now, you can just subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below what is your biggest takeaway till now. So now I will share what are the steps you need to follow to create an offer. So these are the offer creation steps that you need to follow. Step one is define dream outcome. First of all, you need to be sure that what is the dream outcome you are about to give to your audience. If you're not sure about the dream outcome, you have to figure out that when you are creating an offer, how I can bring transformation, and what kind of transformation I'm bringing to the people. So first of all, you need to find the dream outcome that you are going to deliver inside that offer. Step 2, list down every single problem your dream customer is facing to achieve their dream outcomes. Suppose you are into a weight loss industry and you are helping them to lose 10 kgs of weight. So, losing 10 kg is a dream outcome. Now, you have to list down why people are not able to lose 10 kgs by by themselves. Like they are doing exercise, they are doing every other stuff, but still they are not able to get that result. So list down every single problem your dream customer is actually facing to achieve their dream outcomes. Now, step number 3, transform these problems into how to solutions, and not only that, make them believe that the solution you are providing will definitely work for them. Next is step number 4, define how you're going to deliver the promise or solution needed to achieve the goals. After that, step number 5 is add some bonuses to make it more irresistible. So once you are done with your offer, then what you have to do, add some bonuses. People add random bonuses which are of no use. So what type of bonuses you need to add is handle vehicle based objection. Suppose some people doesn't believe that your method will work. So for that, just give them some bonuses or what kind of things you can do for them so that they start believing that your method actually works. Handle internal objections. Some people will feel, yeah, you can do it, but it will not work for me because I'm having this issue, I'm having that issues. So when you understand your dream customer very well, then you can handle those objections by offering bonuses related to those objections. Third is handle external objections. What kind of external objections they are facing? So if you understand those objections, you can add such bonuses in your offer to make it highly irresistible. Now, next is step number 6. Provide guarantees that will increase the perceived likelihood of achievement. Once you follow these 6 steps, you will be ready with your offer definitely. So follow these steps step by step. If you want to see this video again, just watch it complete video, watch it again, make notes, and create your first next high ticket offer. And do let me know if you have created the offer with this particular strategy that I have shared in this particular video. Hope you love this training. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon too. You can join my free Facebook community. The link is in the description only. You can watch my other video on lead generation on my YouTube channel. The link of that video is also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.